My mother lived into her 90th year. My father died in his 65th year because he smoked Chesterfield cigarettes starting when he was 6 years old. Anyway, my mother actually didn't know who she was, actually, by the time she got around to dying. But she was a lovely old lady. I had a lot of problems with my mother until she sort of began to lose her mind. Then we became great friends. Anyway, she was a nice old lady, and she was in her 80s, and my brother was taking care of her up in New Hampshire at his farm. But I would go and get her in the summertime and bring her up to the island. And this takes place in the summer. And she's on the deck, and we're only about 60 feet from the water. And I'm up on a ladder, and I'm working on my cedar shingles and stuff, and I'm way the heck up, you know. And I'm looking down, and there she is. She's all bundled up, you know, and she's got scarf around her neck and stuff, and she's got this wig on that she wore in the last 10 years of her life, and she's just a very nice old lady, and I'm going to read the poem, all right, because I'll screw it up otherwise. So I'm up there, and it's called Lines Begun Near the Shore in a High Wind. The low roof pot swings empty over the dark deck. 2 blue flags snap flutter on grommet rings down the driftwood mast. "Who are you, dear?" my mother asked last summer, eating her apple, her wig awry under the sweeping gull's eye, basking sweater cozy in the sun. I was rigging the extension ladder to stain the topmost cedar shakes. "You mean I bore you?" And she struck the driftwood railing post, laughing, nibbling her apple core to the seeds. She dozed in the August heat. I dabbed and brushed the dark oil in as the breeze wavered in cooling gusts off the water. In her sleep, she mumbled, "Hark, hark!" Later, she said, "You mustn't mind me, dear, but where have I been all these years?" Now the island's weather has changed again. The blue flags drape, and the fog is rolling in.